Hi, in this session, we will try to work out a problem based on the trigonometric identity. Before we go into the problem, let us first define the basic trigonometry identity which we know. The first one is the fundamental trigonometric identity, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is a basic fundamental trigonometric identity. The second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is the second identity. And the third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are the three fundamental trigonometric identity which we have studied. And based on this fundamental identity, let us try to solve a problem. The problem goes like this. Okay, I have just write the problem. I'll go to the fresh page, and or on this page itself I write the problem. Okay, the problem is prove sine theta plus 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta minus 1 plus sine theta is equal to 1 plus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, this is the identity which we have to prove using the given identity, given trigonometric identity, which is these three. Okay, let us see how we do this particular problem. Okay, now if you look at the both left hand side, right hand side, the right hand side is 1 plus sine theta by cos theta, and this problem we can prove it by take the left hand side first. Okay, on the left hand side, okay, you divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. Okay, so you divide both numerator and denominator by a common factor called 1 cos theta. So we can write the numerator as sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 by cos theta of cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta. So the given expression will come like this. Now this, on simplifying, you get sin theta by take the 1 by cos theta inside the parenthesis, take 1 by cos theta on the numerator and denominator. So we get the numerator becomes the sin theta by cos theta, that will become tan theta, and this will be 1 by cos theta, that will become secant theta. So it will be tan theta plus secant theta, and here cos theta by cos theta, that is a minus 1, divided by, on the denominator we have again take 1 by cos theta, this will become 1 minus 1 by cos theta, that is secant theta, and sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Okay, now let us go to the next page. So the left hand side equal to, comes down to, we'll go to the next page, tan theta, so that will be tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by you get in the denominator 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. This is equal to, we can write this as tan theta plus secant theta. This 1 can be written as, we know the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So the 1 becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta. So instead of 1 we can write secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by, let us keep the numerator as it is, 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, now that is equal to, now what happens is, so the numerator again, it is tan theta plus secant theta, and here secant square theta minus tan square theta. The secant square theta minus tan square theta is of the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square we can write as a plus b into a minus b. So let us write that answer is equal to, we have tan theta plus secant theta, put it in bracket, minus of secant, there is a square minus b square formula, so we can use, that will be secant theta plus tan theta multiplied by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, and this whole divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, right, now here this is equal to, in the numerator we can take tan theta plus secant theta as a common factor. So let us take tan theta plus secant theta as a common factor outside, so you get inside, this will be 1, and we will have this the secant theta minus tan theta inside the, that will be 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, now we look at that, this 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta, 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta, so these two cancels out. So you get is equal to tan theta plus secant theta. Okay, and let us go to the next page and see. So that is equal to tan theta plus secant theta. Okay, this is equal to tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So here cos theta is the common factor, so you take cos theta as common factor. In the numerator we get sin theta plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. And if you look at a problem, that is equal to the right hand side of the problem. So we have proved, hence proved. Okay, we have proved the identity. So this is how you have to prove the identity for the given problem. So we'll put a tick mark, double tick. Okay.